How to fix Instagram story music not working. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. You will land to the homepage. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now go ahead and click on the option of creator tools and controls. Now over here you will find this option of switch account type. Click on it. Now you have to switch your account to the personal account. So click on this option of switch to personal account. Click on switch to personal account. Once you switch your account to the personal account, with that your problem will be fixed. Heading towards next solution, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, at the right corner of the app you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram story music not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.